Okay, he's trying to walk kasi he wants to stretch from the train station.
We are in the train station.
Gusto niya to kasi dolls. Bilis na ni David crawl. Yay! Good job! Smart! Hey. Hi, handsome. Look at this. This one. Parang 2.5 years pa dito, be. So, 3 years old si David paglipat natin sa USA. Welcome. Ang cutie. Kawaii. Kawaii is cute. Ayan, ice cream machine naman ang nakita ni David. Magkano ang ice cream dito, be? OMG, mura dito, no? Doon sa Tokyo, 350 yen. Dito, 200. Grabe yung difference. Maliit lang yung difference. But, ano yan? 50 pesos ang 150 eh. Oh, 150. So, mga ano to, 55 to 60 pesos. What's the, chocolate? Nasaan yung nakaraan? May nakita ko doon. Anong gusto nyo, be? Strawberry, vanilla. Ito, matcha. Oh, matcha 300. Tapos ito gusto to nila Hadasa. Ako gusto ko chocolate. Okay. Saya rin, no? May ocean. Okay. Malamig dito, be. Warm sa Tokyo. Hi. We love you. Hi, David. He's friendly today. Meron pala nito dito, be. Try natin i-check yan, be. At saka yung food. Go to an American bar. Meron sila dito. Wait lang, let's look, ha. Ito yung nakita natin kanina. Yum. Ocean. Maganda sa Pinas, be. Ganda ng ocean sa atin. May nature dito. Wow, yummy. Ramen anywhere. Fresh sushi. Ito masarap to, be. Ito rin. Everything. American shopping. Meron pala nito. I'll keep this. I got 2 kasi for remembrance. Diba? Hindi natin alam kung, diba? After 4 years. Ito yung map. Oh my goodness. But, you know what? Wherever we are, kung nasaan man kayo, enjoy it there because I'm sure all places are beautiful. We love you. Take care every day. We love you.